what is going on, guys? I'm still trying to work on perfecting my gimbal skills because I have a weighted gimbal. So I hope that edit came out like smooth, like how I wanted it to. But the gimbal likes to control itself and like spin around sometimes because it's a really cheap gimbal and I don't know what I'm doing with it. But we tried. So this video is probably going to be super duper short because I just have some things I wanted to talk about. We have parts that I ordered on the way now. I ordered them 2 days ago. They should be here any day now. So this video goes out Wednesday, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a video out on Saturday yet because it depends when my parts get here. So the parts I got is definitely something that's gonna help, I think, transform the look of the car, and I'm really excited for it. And it's gonna open up a window of other things I'm planning to do kind of to support the mod. I'll give you guys a hint, it is exterior and it is like aesthetics, so there's not really any like performance to it, but it's something that's gonna make it look cool, I think. And it's something I've wanted for a little while, so I'm kind of excited that I finally got the order in for it. Just hopefully it gets here relatively soon. And then if you guys could comment just to help me out with something, I'm looking to get a front splitter for this car. Now, I want it slightly aggressive so I can run support rods on it because I really do like that look. But do you guys know any companies that are, I guess, smaller companies that make a decent product with already pre-drilled holes? That would be like super awesome. Like, I could go Downforce Solutions, but one, I don't think they pre-drill their holes, and two, it's like $500 for a splitter, and I'm not really trying to spend that much on a front splitter right now. There's one company I'm trying to get in contact with, but they've been really bad at like replying to emails and stuff, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go with them. But I'm trying to also get some, like, you know, discounts for advertisementing, like kind of like a sponsorship, you know. But if you guys know any like smaller companies that make front splitters that are slightly aggressive that are already pre-drilled, please send me those links because that's what I'm really looking forward to doing, and it's something I really want to get soon. So I was just thinking about the part that I ordered and how funny it's gonna be when I actually get the part, because like I still have it home because I'm lame, but when I get this part, I already know how big it's gonna be. Like the box, it's gonna be ginormous, and if I'm not home, my parents are gonna see this thing and like freak out because of how big it's gonna be. I don't know, I find it really funny when I get like giant packages because they're just like, what the hell did you do now? It always cracks me up. This box is definitely gonna be like bigger than my front door. Does that like give you guys a hint of what I got? I'm not really sure. Make sure you guys are smashing that subscribe button and sharing my videos. I really want to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. At this point, we need like 250 more subscribers, so I don't think it's very likely. I don't know if it's actually gonna happen, but if we could get it to happen, that would be super dope. So if you guys could please help me out there, help me have a good Christmas by getting those 1,000 subs, that'd be super dope. And this is what I mean by Pennsylvania roads are horrible. All of our roads are literally always under construction, and there's so many bumps, and it sucks. So I don't know why, but oh my, there's so much traffic right here. But they do this thing that they cut the road, and then they leave out like all of the sewage drains and stuff. And for a regular car, like it's fine, you know, you can kind of hit the bump and you're fine. My car isn't the lowest car in the world, and I have a hard time making it over these cuts in the road. And I literally like, I'm trying to go with traffic, but I don't want to like rip my front bumper off. So I literally have to go sideways over these things, and I have to hold up the traffic, and I feel kind of bad about it. Like these roads back there that are getting worked on weren't even bad in the first place. Oh my god, there's a huge speed bump here. Wish me luck. I got lucky I just made over that speed bump right there. I didn't think I was gonna make it. But like, Pennsylvania, we have so many holes and divots and shit in our road that I can just be driving regularly. I'm bottoming out on regular roads. When I was in Florida, everything was flat. I didn't have that problem. In Pennsylvania, we also have speed bumps in the middle of busy roads like that. And sometimes the speed bumps get so big and like, I get stuck on them. It's not fun to have a lowered car in Pennsylvania. That's why when people always say, oh, you should slam it, I can't slam it in Pennsylvania. I could, but I cherish my car too much and I don't want to destroy it and have to replace every single part of my car. Well, unfortunately, we have no giant boxes at my front door right now, so I can't show you guys what I got yet. And I'm not going to tell you until I get it. Oh, look at my finger. That looks really bad, right? So there might be a video out Saturday depending if it comes in this week. I'm not sure if it's going to. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys next time. Keep doing you, and peace out.